Okay, this is called la Calle de la Madera. This is called Wood Street. But I think a lot has changed because they redirected traffic. There used to be more shops here selling things to tourists. But I guess it has changed. Look. Yeah, this wasn't so heavily transited, but now it is. Hola, ¿cómo están? Yeah, look, you see, they sell all these kind of things. If you come to Rionegro, qué pena, estoy hablando aquí en inglés para mostrar a los youtubers para promover este negocio. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Thank you. So I'm showing you these things. They sell these things. These are all made out of wood. So if you want to take a souvenir back home, back to the States or Europe or Canada, they sell these smaller ones like the chibas and whatever. And this is all wood, all made of wood. Or you got this with the fruit. Oh, these things for the napkins, napkin holders. Very nice, small ones, bigger ones. It's all very beautiful. They work with wood here, and this didn't used to be so heavily transited. And you got these things here that they make for you to keep your fruit and vegetables. Con permiso, gracias. So I'm showing you all of these things. This is a very nice wood shop, and they work with all of this. And if you want to come live here for 6 months, you can always buy some of these things to decorate your home. Look, they even do with the Egyptian style. An Egyptian thing there, or a guacamaya. That's a guacamaya bird, the colorful, very beautiful stuff. I mean, look at it. Or even these little things that are not made of wood, but with cats or dogs or other images. Look at this, an Indian style thing, like a little box to keep your jewelry or your belongings. There are so many things that you can get here. Te damos vitalidad y curación. We give you vitality and healing. Look at that. They're using a mandala there. Nice mandalas. Look. And in the form of a board where you paint and everything. Wow, look. This is really, really, really nice. And this is all woodwork that they do here. And chairs, tools, all kinds of things. So if you want to buy something, come to la Calle de la Madera here in Rionegro, and you can even get these little signs made. Hoy no fío, mañana sí. Today I will not give credit, tomorrow I will. In terms of the stores, shops, people always ask for that. Bienvenidos, welcome, welcome. Oh look, the typical little things you can buy them cheaper here than down in Medellin, probably. The ones that you can take home, representing the typical house, first floor, second floor. Wow, very, very nice stuff. So I recommend you come here and check it out. Look at this little chiba. They have it nice and packed with the transportation of coffee and drums and whatever, like they used to do before. It's very beautiful. Look, a little nativity set with baby Jesus in the middle, and Joseph and Mary and Joseph, and the cow and the sheep. Very nice. I recommend you guys come here and check this place out. Les hago unas preguntitas, simplemente así rapidito. Este negocio tiene, ¿hace cuánto tienen aquí este negocio?
Mi papá fue el fundador de la Calle de la Madera.
Ah, esto es la Calle de la Madera, ¿no?
Esta es la Calle de la Madera. Hace que 52 años que nosotros mi mamá está trabajando en la carpintería acá.
¿Y él todavía está haciendo?
Sí, él todavía está vivo. Ya no se dedica tanto a la carpintería, pero todavía hace cositas.
Ah, qué bien. ¿Cómo es su nombre?
Beatriz Rivas.
Beatriz Rivas.
Rivas.
¿Y su papá?
Abelardo Rivas.
Abelardo.
Abelardo Rivas.
Ah, ok.
Él fue el fundador de acá, la Calle de la Madera.
Ah, él fue el fundador de la Calle de la Madera.
Ajá.
Oh, excellent. Her father was the founder of this area, Calle de la Madera. 52 years ago, he started this business, and he's still working here and there, but he's doing other things. Ah, qué bien. Estoy explicando así como resumen lo que me dijiste.
Claro que sí, aquí para cada uno lo que necesite.
Ah, she just said
Baúles, ventanas, de todo lo que necesite.
de todo, baúles, ventanas.
Baúles, ventanas. Mira, muéstrate ese
Oh yeah, like you can have these kind of things built made here out of wood, and even chests there to keep your personal belongings, even window frames, even these benches, estas bancas, no? De todo. She said, you're more than welcome anytime. Come and buy from her. ¿Cómo? Comedores también. Even dining tables for you to dine. Even little tables like that over there. Yeah. Look at this. This is a work of art that they made here. Our father and some of the workers. And the table. You buy all kinds of things here. Little bird houses that you can have built. A thing to keep your eggs in or bread. It's very beautiful. Ah, muchas gracias. Sí. ¿Usted es el artista ahorita? ¿Cómo se llama? Mario. That's Mario. Buenas, ¿cómo? Sí. Sí, es que cambiando español e inglés se me traba la lengua a veces.
Claro, es el artista que hace todas estas calles, todo eso.
Ah.
Esa
Esa figura. Mario is the artist. He's the sculptor who sculpted that wooden thing there, and also this, and he does a lot of the sculpting and working with the woodwork here. So you got to talk to Mario. ¿Y otra vez su nombre? Beatriz. Beatrice and Mario. And you come here and you talk to them here, Calle de la Madera. So she says, yeah, you're more than welcome here to Rionegro, Antioquia in Colombia. Please come on over and visit. Ah, gracias, excelente. Ah, qué bien, no, gracias.